Hey all, welcome to drawtales. I'm Shweta. In today's video, I'm going to make a cool DIY Halloween mask. At first, with the help of my specs, I'm measuring the size. So I'm marking the corners for the perfect mask size. I have planned to draw the black cat mask. So let's draw the outline of the mask. And now we need a stick for the mask, so I am rolling the paper to make a stick. And also I am making the pattern which was given to the mask. Please make sure you use the thick sheets like 250 GSM to make mask and also for the stick. Now turn the mask and paste the stick on it. We need to cut down the eye part. It's done. Let's move on to the next mask, and this is a folk style mask. It's done. Do you love it? Which one do you like? Comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.